Hello everyone, welcome to the Aerobo Automation YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how to add inline IOs in the Indraworks project or Indralogic project. Okay, we are going to directly discuss actually Indralogic. Fine. So first you have to open Indralogic, double click on it, then go to File, New. So there you are going to select the model is L2003 version, click on OK, LD programming. Then here, before starting of the project, say for example I'm downloading this program to the PLC hardware. Okay, so in that case, before starting of the project or program, you have to add the modules which are there in the inline. So what do you mean by inline? Means there's an extension. Say for example so this is not L45, L65, but we are discussing L20. So you need to understand what do you mean by exactly the inline. Rexroth inline means it is additional modules. In Bosch Rexroth laboratory, we are having extension not only just L20 PLC, but the extension is also there. If extension is not added in the software, you will get an error. It is called RI error, that is Rexroth inline error. That means your program you cannot execute in the online mode. So for that, to avoid such conditions, before starting of the program, you should you should add those modules in Indralogic. Even Indraworks also I am going to explain. But here in Indralogic, go to the bottom, left bottom. So there are 4 tabs are there. Actually you are in POU, and this is visualization, sorry, data types, and then there's a visualization, and then at last there is one tab called resources tab. In the resources tab, there is a PLC configuration is there. You have to double click on it, and there is a plus mark on Indralogic L20TP303 version, plus mark, and there is inline. So inline it is showing empty. That means the software assumes that PLC not having any inline IOs, but in the hardware it is there, so you will get an error. So for that you should add it. Right click, append sub element, and then there is a 24 volts, that is DI16. First is DI16, and sequence has to be exactly the same. Say for example, the physical hardware, first DI16 is there, then DO16 is there, then exactly the same. If there is an error in sequence, then you will get a again error, that is called RI error. So first DI16, right click, append sub element, that is DO16, and append sub element, there is a 2 analog inputs are there, and again 2 analog output is there, that is AO2/U/BP. So these are the extensions available in the PLC hardware. So once extension is done, then go back to the POU tab, and then double click on the PLC_PRG is the main program. Double click on it, you will get this window. This is where we can do programming. Okay, this is how you can add the Rexroth inline modules onto the PLC project. Okay, now you can do programming and then simulate it. Simulation also possible, or you can directly, if PLC hardware is there, you can download the program to the PLC. Okay, how to download, how to set up the communication will take up in the next video. Simulation also, and next video we can take it up, or because I'm going to teach you about like how to add modules, inline modules using Indraworks. Okay, so now I'll close the Indralogic. So directly we'll go to the Indraworks engineering. So there I'll create from the beginning. So create a new project, go to file, project, then project name you just type it, then click on OK. and then we are using L20, so drag and drop L20 program file, and then next, and 03 we have to select version, then next, and communication, go to new, select TCP IP, okay, and IP address of the PLC is 192.168.1.19. This you can also change, that we will discuss in the next video. Press enter, then click on OK and finish. If you are starting the project with Indraworks engineering, then this is the method. And again, you cannot start directly the program, you will get an error. So inline, if there are some extension in the PLC, you have to add it here. Right click on the Rexroth inline or inline, add module here, and DI16 you have to select first, and next is DO16. See, this is a sequence of extension is there in the in our PLC. So in your PLC, what is the sequence you have to see, and then accordingly you have to add. Then AI2SF is there, that means 2 analog inputs, and lastly 2 analog output is there, that is 2/U/BP is how you can add. And now you can go to the programming window by double click on the logic, so it will take you to the Indralogic directly. And programming is same if you start with Indralogic directly or from Indraworks, programming is same. So by default it is in structured text, you delete it, and then right click, add object, and LD, this object is created. Okay, yeah, in the next video we'll see how to do programming, a simple logic in simulation mode. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone. Subscribe to my channel.